About a year and a half ago, we embarked on a journey to really transform our entire company for energy efficiency by using LED lights, by partnering with GE. But since then, what we found out is that it's not only a math equation that saves you money, the results from an aesthetic standpoint are unbelievable. It's been an amazing decision from a marketing perspective. We're super excited to have created the world's first LED dealership, and we're already constructing number 2 and number 3 and number 4. Our vision for this Mercedes-Benz dealership was pretty straightforward. We want to create the absolute most spectacular dealership from the client perspective ever made. The reason we chose GE in our vision for LED is because GE is the most recognized and trustworthy brand in the lighting industry. The LED lights help lead the client through the experience at the dealership. People are blown away when they come into this dealership and see the amount of lighting and the control of the lighting, the way the lighting doesn't overwhelm, the way the lighting spreads and provides a natural color for everything throughout the dealership, inside and outside.
We have daylight harvesting throughout the entire facility, which means as sunlight comes in, the LED lights will actually dim themselves down or shut themselves off. We also have intelligent sensors throughout the premises that detect movement. And if there's a car that were to approach or someone were to walk onto the property, the lights detect that movement and come up to full brightness.
At night, our light poles use half of the wattage of what a 60-watt bulb uses at your house to light up a parking lot. That's crazy. When we look at the energy savings that we're getting there, and really it's the right thing to do for the environment, it's just a win-win for everybody. Once we opened the dealership, GE flew somebody out and he went through the entire dealership, making sure that every single lumen was optimized. What was the appropriate dimming level? When should that dimming level occur? Do you have an even spread of the lighting? Those are the kinds of resources that really come with GE. When Mercedes-Benz asked us to come into the Cincinnati, Northern Kentucky market, everybody who we talked to said that this property really couldn't become a car dealership. Our first meeting we invited all the neighbors, and there was about 4 or 5 concerns that they brought up. Lights, 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 and then lights. It was because of the benefits to the community of dramatically reduced light pollution, and the neighbors buying into that allowed the project even to start, let alone finish. Then you fast forward, and the comment is, we can't believe how great the lights are. We're so happy with how the lights came out. So it's really been a true testimony to the power of LEDs when it comes to community acceptance of a car dealership, which is just fantastic. It's that amount of targeted lighting that really makes LED a no-brainer. We've chosen to continue our relationship with GE for a simple reason. They're the standard of the lighting world, and they're a great partner. So we've embarked on a process where every dealership that we build going forward is going to be a 100% all LED dealership, starting with this one.